I have another engine here. RC 365 engine. Engineat وحن وايق. Kind of bullshit 365 engine, never run good. You need a high maintenance. That means need a clean oil. Has a lot of injectors problem. This sensors, bad emission. This is the computers up there. This is a hydraulic. I don't know if you can see the emission numbers. This kind of sucks. The oil cooler to work on it all the time. The EGR to work on it all the time. The turbochargers up there. As you can see, his transmissions down there. The computer wires, connectors. .365 engine. It sucks. Burning my ass. I used to work a lot of Ford mid buses. Hard to get in, hard to work on it. Kind of crazy. You have to work every time. It's another bus. His brother's there. When you see all the blue color, that's original manufacturer engine. When you see some gray or silver, they already replaced the parts. .365. Intake heater, muffler, Allison transmission. Alternator. Let me explain a little bit. This engine they call 365, they have a problem, injector problem, because reason the oil you have to change. Clean oil, synthetic, you have to put every 3,000 miles. EGR leak all the time. Turbocharge problem come up, and the sensors, because it has a high emission there, and the manifold bolts usually they crack. Bolts broke inside here. It will be a problem on more and more. And the water pump line, turbochargers, so you're gonna have a lots and lots of problem for this engine. 3 and 6 and 5, it sucks.